All right, so your two equations, when you graph them, should look like this. The question that you're asked to do is to figure out the intersection point, which we can find pretty easily here by looking at our graph. Looks like that's going to be the point 8, 3. Now we just have to remember what that means. Remember that X stood for the number of ounces in a container of lemonade, and Y stood for the number of ounces in a container of lime soda. So when I look at this, what that tells me is that we have X equals 8, which means that there are 8 ounces in a container of lemonade. And I see that Y equals 3, which means there are 3 ounces in a container of the lime soda.